Hi guys, it's Kathleen from the Yoga Space in Hilversum in the Netherlands. How are you going today? Do you feel happy and relaxed because the sun's shining? Or do you feel a little more restless today? Are you having trouble doing your homework? Sometimes it's a bit hard to focus, but I have a little trick that I do when I need to focus. And I can show it to you if you like. Can you bring your hands up like this in front of you and bring the palms of your hands together and bring your hands to heart center? Good job. Okay. So we're going to take our pinky finger and just tap it together 5 times and we'll count to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Now can you take your ring finger and do the same? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What about your middle finger? Let's try it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Let's do your pointer finger, hey? 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try your thumbs. Yeah? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's try this again, but keeping our eyes closed. Can you try that? Just focus on your pinky finger first, counting to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we'll do our ring finger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And our middle finger. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And our pointer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And our thumb. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And can you do your pointer finger again? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What about your middle finger? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And your ring? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now your pinky. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can you do that one more time by yourself? Tapping your pinky and then your ring finger, your middle finger, your pointer, and your thumb. And then give your hands a little shake out. Good job. Okay, can you roll your wrists in one direction? Yeah, and then roll them in the opposite direction. And give them a little shake. And then relax them down. We're going to say our meditation mantra together. So show me your fingers. We're going to point our pointer to our thumb, our middle finger to our thumb, our pinky to our thumb, and our ring finger to our thumb. And we'll say our 4 words. Love begins with me. Love begins with me. Let's bring it down to our knees and we'll say it a little quieter and then we'll say it in our heads, okay? Love begins with me. Maybe you'd like to close your eyes. Love begins with me. Love begins with me. And when you're ready, bring your hands to your heart and gently open your eyes. All the good things in me, recognize all the good things in you. Have a wonderful week, guys. And why not try and use your tapping fingers. And see how that helps you focus before you do your homework this week, or your homeschool work. Have a really, really wonderful week, guys. Bye.